What is your name, ma'am? Is it okay?
Lamis,
Lames. You are from?
Egypt,
Egypt. So, how long have you been in Egypt?
since Feb 2021.
Since Feb
Yeah.
2021. Then it was born and you were stuck
Yes,
in
yes, when
Egypt.
I stuck there, yeah.
Your profession, ma'am, here?
Yes, in Arab Open University.
So you're a professor.
No, actually, I'm a human resource.
Okay. So you're in the HR.
Yes,
I
exactly.
see. So how's the
What?
the experience? Oh my God.
It's amazing. I cannot believe myself when I see that I'm landing on
Yeah.
the airport.
Okay.
Kuwait.
So how before going back to Egypt, how long have you been here in Kuwait?
It's like around 1 year and a half since COVID-19.
Okay.
You mean
Okay.
before that?
No, before that.